Watani program is PwC's award-winning Emiratisation program, which is aimed at empowering local talent and upskilling Emirati students, job seekers, and professionals to become the next generation of leaders. And what we're really trying to achieve is simple. It is to create a sustainable national workforce in the professional services sector and contribute to the socio-economic aspirations and priorities of the Middle East region. In terms of job opportunities, we have a number of career pathways available for students, for interns, for graduates, for experienced hires, including secondment programs. Through these programs, individuals do gain practical industry knowledge. They develop technical and critical soft skills and industry skills, and they are able to benefit from exposure across diverse teams in the region and globally. And of course, this is coupled with the robust mentorship and coaching programs that we have available.